So in July, I made over $120,000 from my AI agency. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you every single payment, every single transaction. I'm going to be breaking down the differences of like cash collected versus closed deals versus the deals that are in the pipeline. And I'm going to give you a transparent look of like what this actually looks like. This should be quite a long video, and I'm going to really show you every single deal in detail, talk about how we closed it, how long it took to close, and big business at scale. And when you're doing like 100K per month plus, it's a bit messy, right? People want to make you convinced that it's kind of like all nice and clean and streamlined. It's not. So I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like under the hood. I'm going to show you the transparency. I'm going to show you the different payment methods, everything. And I hope you get a lot of value out of this video. If you don't already know, my name's Ryan. All I talk about on this YouTube channel is Upwork, but I have recently started to get some clients outside of Upwork, referrals, LinkedIn, email, and yeah, I also want to just show you the full thing that's going on, but let's jump into the numbers. So the first thing I want to do is talk about the actual total I've made so far this year. So the total amount we've made so far on my agency sheet is $526,000. We've done $35,000 cost in Upwork fees. So I've paid Upwork $35,000 in just fees alone, not connects. The total team cut has been over 250K, and my cut is 246. I have a 56% profit margin, and I have 240K remaining in the deals, 100K in revenue, profit, sorry, and $1,936 in revenue a day, and about $1,000 a day in profit. So let's actually get into some of these actual numbers and all of these deals. So first and foremost, we've got $126,635 in July, which is pretty crazy. $91,264 was in cash collected, and we have another $34,500 in closed deals that are like pending milestone payments, essentially. And let's go through each of them. So first and foremost, the first $35,264 came from Upwork. I can actually show you this. I'm going to share my screen. You go to transactions, and then you can go to this month, and you can see $29,135. You can also see $4,928 and $1,201, which are not factored into this number because I literally just got paid on some of them today, and that's why they're going to release by the August the 3rd and August the 5th, and today is the 31st of July. But they've been paid, right? That's why you can see it in this reporting section. If you go on here, 6,000, and obviously there's a bunch more in the pipeline. So that is the cash collected from Upwork transactions. I also got a client outside of Upwork that paid quite a bit. It's over $66,000 for the total project, and we got 50% of it up front. And I'm actually doing that payment in cryptocurrency, and I'll put that on the screen somewhere. It was $33,000. Profit margin on that was 60% to me, 40% to my team. We also have this payment here, $5,600. This is the Ring M1 payment, which is basically, I'll show you what this is. If I go to message, it's this payment right here that we just closed today. So I was kind of hoping while I was coming here, I was like hoping for that payment to come in so I could show you, but it did. And we also have another one of those payments coming up, which I'll get to later, which is down here. We also got a payment from a referral, which is pretty cool. The total on that deal, let's have a look together. So if I pull up my email. So yeah, the one that I got from a referral was $12,500. However, just the first deposit was made, which was $4,000, which is cool. I can show that, I guess. I'll show that in Mercury. And by the way, the reason I use Mercury is because it's the only one I can use as a non-US citizen living in Thailand. It's like the only bank account I can get for my US LLC. But anyway, I'll show on the screen the $4,000 payment. But we still got another, whatever, 8,000-ish coming in from that. I'm not including that in the total. I'm only including cash collected and total deals. Obviously, I could lie and make this YouTube video even more ridiculous and be like, oh, I made 300,000, but that's not true, So like, let's just keep it real on this channel. And then we had another payment via Cast, which is like a banking app for people that live, like, and travel a lot. You can check them out. They're pretty, I'll be honest, I think they're like one of the best banking apps ever. I'm not even going to put my referral link, but just check it out. It's actually sick. They're not paying me to say that. And that was for $4,800. That's from a deal from a while ago, though. Like, I've been working that deal, and that milestone finally cleared. So total on that was 91K-ish. And in terms of closed deals, we got another deal that we just closed for $8,000. I'll show that right here. So the first milestone is funded, 2,400, but I'll show the payments so you can see them here. So as you can see, 2,400, 2,000, 2,000, 1,600, so 8,000 total. So that was one of the deals. I also closed a $15,000 deal, which I'll show right now as well. But this is yet to be paid. I'm just waiting on it to be paid, but it's literally ready to go. Let me show you. But yeah, as you can see, 15K over 7 weeks, deposit of 1.8K. So I'm just waiting on that to land as well. We also had another deal with that, which might come through, which is 17.6K. But again, not closed yet, so I'm not going to include it in the total because I'm trying to keep it honest on this channel. I'm not trying to flex, you know. We also had a $4,500 deal, which I'll show as well. And that was on Upwork. Again, closed, but not paid. And you can see that right here, $4,500, $1,350 in project funds. That's for like some YouTube AI video thing, which we're working on for this client. We also have a pending milestone that's literally just about to be paid for $3,000. I'll put that on the screen somewhere. CBA to go find that in Slack. And then we also got one other deal that's very, very close. It's literally like right about to close for $4,000. And you can see that right here. I'll show the contractual agreement. So yeah, there you go, $4,000. That's for this agreement. It's a pretty cool project. Can't talk about it because I have an NDA, but it's awesome. I will say that. And then we have one more payment for $7,000, which is going to go for the other payment that I showed earlier. I'll actually just show that as well for the sake of the video. So it's this deal here. And the next milestone is $7,000, but I'll show it. Actually, I need to show it in a different way because otherwise you won't be able to see that. But yeah, total, right, in July, $126,000. Like, again, most came from Upwork. Some came in crypto, right, from clients outside of Upwork. We've got referrals, and we also got some like LinkedIn and cold email stuff in there as well. But I guess what I'm trying to say is that Upwork is still the main place that I get most of my clients. Like for AI and automation and web development, it's still like the easiest place to get big ass clients. And I mean, some of these clients are massive. Like we have the $180,000 client that I have, which I've made a whole YouTube video about. We just closed a client for $66,500. Which is awesome. But obviously, technically, that's outside of Upwork, I guess. But even this deal, that $5,600 and $7,000 deal, the total value of that deal is $28,000. So yeah, it's working. And good clients on Upwork will also give referrals as well. You know, like they'll introduce you to people that are not on Upwork, right? It's a network, you know. And whenever people complain about like Upwork Connects or anything like that, I always just think, well, I'm just filling my CRM on Upwork, and eventually some of these deals will close. Like that deal that I closed for 28K, I've been speaking to that client for over 6 months, you know, so this shit takes time. But anyway, again, I just wanted to make this video so that you could be inspired, you can see what's possible. And I'm also constantly trying to keep you updated on like the journey that we're on this channel. I made a video a while ago saying that I wanted to get to 500K by the end of the year. We're 7 months into the year and we've already achieved that. So I think we should go for the milli. $1 million agency. I can't wait to make that video. I'm going to keep working hard for you guys and show you everything. And if you want to get similar results to this, I'm not going to pitch you on anything. Just go watch my YouTube channel. Like go watch the checklist video, go watch the 7 days on Upwork video. All of the information that I put out on YouTube is fire. The shit I put on YouTube is better than basically anybody else's paid shit. So go and watch that stuff. You'll get a lot of value from it. Go read the comments. People are crushing it. People are getting results from it. But if you do want more one-to-one help, obviously you can click the link below. It's application only. I can't jump on calls with every single person. But yeah, that's it. Hope you got some value. Hope this is inspiring. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.